Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Viewers, as I have already delivered my lecture that it's very necessary for each and every Muslim to study the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, so that we can spend our lives according to the given lines, directions of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, demonstrated and exercised practically in his own life. So it's very necessary for us, because the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is full of lessons. There is no lesson, there is no matter that we are facing in this world and we cannot find out from the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. We can find whatever the difficulty or trouble we face in our life, the resolvement of this matter is already demonstrated and exercised in the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. That is the authentic direction, authentic resolvement for us. If we will not study the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, then we will try to resolve our problems according to our own knowledge. But our knowledge is not complete, because the knowledge of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is revealed knowledge. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, got the knowledge from the University of Allah. Allah Almighty has given the knowledge to our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The explanation of verses we can get from the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. As the verses, Waqimus Salat, pray prayer. But how we will be able to know, how we will have to offer our prayers? Yes, when we will study the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, then we will be able to know what's prayer, how we can pay our prayers, how many times we will have to pay prayers, how we can pray, what is the methodology, what is the method, what is the way to pay prayers in the court of Allah Almighty. All these methodology or methods or ways we can find out from the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. If we will not study the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and we will try to spend our lives according to the Islam, but we are unaware about the method of Islam, it means we are fulfilling the habits of our prayers. We are paying our prayers 5 times, but we don't know what the ways and method is to offer our prayers. It means we are quenching our habits. So it's very necessary to study the life of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him,